everyone! I'm Artur and this is Jessica. You are watching Artur and Jessica Live. Look what's in my hands. It's a ginormous slime. It's 1 kg. It's very heavy. A lot of slime. Let's look what's inside. Look, there's different decorations. Let's open it up. Wow, there's different colors. Color pink, green, purple, and yellow. Pink, green, purple, and yellow. Let's look at what are in these slime packets. Let's start with yellow. Whoa! It's so jiggly. It's like jelly. Wow! It's a really nice yellow. Let's open the next color. Pink. Whoa, I think this one is more stretchier. It's a really nice pink. It's beautiful. This is another nice green as well. Wow, I like this green actually. Let's open the next color. Purple. Ooh, I like this purple. It's really cool.
Wow.
It's a really cool purple. I've never seen this one. Whoa. It's a bit like the galaxy color. Let's mix up all the colors. 3, 2, 1. I wonder what color it's gonna be. Wow, that's actually cool. It's really heavy. It's turning into a cool color, but I don't exactly know what color it is. Jessica, I'm gonna give you a little bit of my slime.
Yeah.
And you're gonna decorate it, and I'm gonna decorate it. Now let's decorate our slimes. Come on. We'll put in some white balls. Uh-oh, it's getting on my hands. I'm gonna mix it up. A little bit more. These. Uh-oh. It's bigger than my whole hand. That's a big slime. In my opinion, the slime got a bit ugly because we mixed all the colors together, but it turned out to be this. So yeah, before it was a lot better, but I shouldn't think that if I mix all the colors together, it would be like a greenish or brownish color. I really like to poke it. It's just satisfying and I just can't stop doing it. Jessica, you got a lighter green. Your one is more prettier. My one is really dark. If you liked our slime, make sure to like and subscribe. Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys, we're gonna play with our slime. Bye!